I want to read to you just a few pages from this book that I've been reading. It's a very good book and I want you to get it. It's called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind and it's from Joseph Murphy. I'm reading in chapter 3, The Miracle Working Power of Your Subconscious Mind. The power of your subconscious is beyond all measure. It inspires you and guides you. It calls up vivid scenes from the storehouse of memory. Your subconscious controls your heartbeat and the circulation of your blood. It regulates your digestion, assimilation, and elimination. When you eat a piece of bread, your subconscious mind transmutes it into tissue, muscle, bone, and blood. These processes are beyond the ken of the wisest person who walks the earth. Your subconscious mind controls all the vital processes and functions of your body. It knows the answer to all problems. Your subconscious mind never sleeps, never rests. It is always on the job. You can discover the miracle working power of your subconscious by plainly stating to your subconscious prior to sleep that you want a specific thing accomplished. You will be amazed and delighted to discover that forces within you will be released that lead to the result you wished for. Here is a source of power and wisdom that puts you directly into touch with omnipotence. This is the power that moves the world, guides the planets in their course, and causes the sun to shine. Your subconscious mind is the source of your ideals, aspirations, and altruistic urges. It was through the subconscious mind that Shakespeare perceived and communicated great truths hidden from the average man of his day. It was through the subconscious mind that the Greek sculptor Phidias gained the art and skill to portray beauty, order, symmetry, and proportion in marble and bronze. The subconscious mind is the deep well from which great artists draw their awe-provoking power. It enabled the Italian artist Raphael to paint his Madonnas and the great German musician Beethoven to compose his symphonies. While lecturing at the Yoga Forest University in India, I had a long conversation with a surgeon who was visiting from Bombay. From him, I learned the astonishing story of Dr. James Isdale. Isdale was a Scottish surgeon who practiced in Bengal during the 1840s. This was before ether or other modern methods of chemical anesthesia were in use. Nevertheless, between 1843 and 1846, Dr. Isdale, or Esdale, performed some 400 major surgical operations of all kinds. These included amputations, removal of tumors and cancerous growths, and operations on the eye, ear, and throat. All these operations were performed under mental anesthesia only. Patients said they felt no pain, and none of them died during surgery. Just as amazing, the mortality rate of Esdale's patients following surgery was extremely low. This was well before Western scientists such as Louis Pasteur and Joseph Lister pointed out that bacterial origin of infection. No one realized that post-operative infections were due to unsterilized instruments and virulent organisms. Nevertheless, when Esdale suggested to his patients who were in a hypnotic state that no infection or septic condition would develop, their subconscious minds responded to his suggestion. They set in motion the processes needed to fight off the life-threatening dangers of infection. Think of it. More than a century and a half ago, this Scottish surgeon who had gone halfway around the world discovered how to use the miraculous wonder-working powers of the subconscious mind. It is enough to cause you to be seized with awe. The transcendental powers that inspired Dr. Isdale and that protected his patients from mortal danger can be yours too. Your subconscious mind can give you independence of time and space. It can make you free of all pain and suffering. It can give you the answer to all problems, whatever they may be. There is a power and an intelligence within you that far transcends your intellect, causing you to marvel at the wonder of it all. All these experiences cause you to rejoice and believe in the miracle-working powers of your own subconscious mind. You've got to get this book. This is good for just about anything and everything that comes in your life. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.